Okay, let's take this question. Let y be an implicit function of x defined by x raised to power 2x minus x 2 into x raised to power x cot by minus 1 equals to 0. Then y dash 1 equals to. So we need to find out the derivative of this function at x equals to 1. So let me write y equals to x raised to power 2x minus 2 into x raised to power x cot y minus 1. Okay, and here I am given that y equals to 0, means it is equals to 0. This function I have considered as y. Okay, so if I put x equals to 1 and at here, then what will be the value of y? So put x equals to 1 over here. I am getting y at 1 equals to 1 into 1 raised to power 2 into 1 minus 2 into 1 cot y as such minus 1. Okay, and it will give me it is equals to 0. Okay, so it will give me what? 1 minus 2 cot y minus 1 equals to 0. It means cot y equals to 0. Okay, so y equals to what? Y equals to 90 degree or pi by 2. It means y at 1 is pi by 2. Okay, so this is the an important deduction of this question that will lead us to the answer. Okay, so now differentiate this function. Okay, now differentiate this function and get your answer in your hand. Okay, so differentiation of this thing, minus 2 differentiation of x raised to power x into cot y, and differentiation of minus 1 will be 0. We know that. Okay, it is equals to 0. Okay, now start it. I think you must be knowing that the differentiation of x raised to power x, the derivative of this function is ln x plus 1 multiply with this function itself. I can deduct it in front of you if you are interested. Okay, so let me deduct it. Consider it as y equals to x to the power x, then take ln on both sides, x ln x. Now differentiate it, then you'll get y dash upon y, that will be multiplying with this function, and this will be 1, means ln x, and x into 1 by x, this is plus 1, and y is x power x. So this will give me as this thing. Okay, so let me erase all this thing. Okay, so start it with the differentiation of this thing that we have right now calculated. That will give me x raised to the power 2x plus 1 into 2 into x raised to power 2x, because here we have x raised to power 2x, so this 2 will come in front of x. Okay, minus 2, it will give me what? X to the power x will give me x to the power x into 1 plus ln x. Sorry, it is ln x. Okay, so I have corrected it. And what I was doing that the differentiation of this thing and multiply with this. I am using basically the product rule of the differentiation. Okay, so multiply with cot y. Okay, and again I'll write this thing as such, x to the power x, and take the derivative of cot y, which is minus cosec square y, and the y, cot y contains y in it, so y dash also. Okay, so this is the whole bracket. Okay, this must be like this. Okay, so this is equals to 0, which is given here. Now this question has reduced a piece of cake. Just put value of x equals to 1 and y equals to pi by 2. Okay, so what I'm gonna get, x equals to 1 is it'll give me 2 into x is 1, then ln x will be 0, so 0 plus 1 minus 2, this will be 1 1 plus 0, cot y is pi by 2, then this will be 0 plus 1 into cosec y. Cosec pi by 2 is 1 and minus cosec square is minus 1 into y dash equals to 0. So this will give me 2 minus 2, this is 0 and this is minus y dash, this is equals to 0. This is at 1. Okay, this is at 1, not this is not y1, this is at 1. Okay, so this will give me 2 equals to, this will become plus, so this has become plus over here. So if I take this thing over that side, it will 2 minus y1 dash. Okay, it will give me y1 dash equals to y dash 1 equals to minus 1. So my minus is not visible. Okay, so now it is here, so minus 1 is my answer. But what I told you, that if you see anything like that you need to calculate the value of its derivative at the value of something, the value of x is something is given here and the derivative is to be calculated at that point, then just find out the value of y itself over there, then you just proceed with the differentiation, and I think you will get an expression where you can put these two values and get your answer. Okay.